Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revolution. So today we're going to learn to make a soft ragi chocolate mug cake in IFB oven. It is made with readily available ingredients at home, and that too in 1 minute. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. Here I've taken a cast iron skillet which is hot. Now I'm going to add in ragi flour. This is a brand of ragi flour that I'm using in this recipe, and these are the measurement spoons. This is 1 tablespoon, so I'll be adding 3 heaped tablespoons of ragi flour. You should note that I'm not going to use all-purpose flour or maida. I'm using ragi as the flour medium in this recipe. So I've taken 3 heaped tablespoons of ragi flour. Roast them on very low flame. Do not burn them. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more IFB oven recipes or any other healthy recipes. So allow the roasted ragi flour to cool. Meanwhile, we'll make a coffee decoction. For that, I've taken plain water. Add 4 tablespoons of water into a microwave safe mug. Into this, add 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Mix it well and then keep it into the oven. Switch on the oven, press on the 1-minute timer and press on the start button. Okay, so you can see that our coffee decoction is ready. Let's keep it aside for it to cool down. Next, we'll start with the mixing process of all the ingredients. I've taken here a microwave safe mug. Into this I'm adding the roasted ragi flour which has cooled down. It has come down to room temperature. Now into this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of arrowroot flour or powder. In case if you don't have it, you can also add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Please note it is teaspoon and not tablespoon. Next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using Cadbury's unsweetened cocoa powder. Now to this I'll be adding a pinch, that is 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now as sweetener I'll be using 2 tablespoons of Jaggery powder. In case you don't have this, you can use normal sugar or you can use coconut sugar or palm sugar or any form of sweetener. This is a healthy cake recipe for all those who are having those instant cravings and you do not want to spend money on a very big piece of cake. You can try this recipe. Next we'll start adding the wet ingredients. To this I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. You can also use 2 tablespoons of butter or 2 tablespoons of ghee, whichever medium. Then I'll be adding the coffee decoction, that is 4 tablespoons of coffee decoction. Then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Please follow the exact measurements that I've followed here for the perfect spongy cake. I'll be sharing the ingredients list along with the measurements to avoid confusion in the description box below. Finally, to this I'll be adding lemon juice, that is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Once you add lemon juice, mix it quickly and place it immediately into the oven. Adding lemon juice helps in activating the ingredients like baking powder and baking soda, which will help in giving a good rise to your cake. Now finally I'll be adding some dark chocolate chunks. This cake can be baked not only in IFB oven but also in other ovens as well. It just takes 1 minute. I'll wipe the edges using a tissue paper and then we'll place this mug into the oven. The steps are really simple. It is not at all complicated. You don't have to preheat the oven. Just place the mug inside, switch on the oven, set for 1 minute and then press on the start button. After 1 minute you can see our super soft, moist and ultimate guilt-free ragi chocolate cake is ready. Allow this to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes and serve it warm. You can have it as it is or you can also add in a dollop of ice cream and enjoy. So I hope you all like this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also please do share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.